Yo, what's up? It's so early morning and today's travel vlog. Yo, what's up? As you can see, I just arrived to the airport. Not much is happening, not so many people. Even yesterday when we was buying ticket was quite busy. Now it's really not so bad, not so busy. Looking to find my lounge, because about a year ago I bought the airport lounge, so I think they have it here. Well, obviously they have it. I need to edit video. And I'm going to Lombok today, so will be a lot of interesting material. I will be in Lombok days. I will go to Gili for sure, so check this out, how it looks, the situation. I'm also making another shot from different camera, how it looks in the airport, and see you in the lounge. I'm in my lounge. It's 45 minutes to my flight. I finished editing my video, but it's saving so slow. I don't know why. I think my laptop overheated. I'm not sure if I will upload this in this airport, so probably in the hotel on my destination when I arrive. I'm a little bit sad, pissed off. I mean, not pissed off, I'm a little bit disappointed because I didn't got the window seat in my plane. So that's quite sucks, especially as I'm doing videos and stuff. Also I have to bring my second bag because it's drawn inside and they said probably it's gonna gone. So could you imagine that guy said it's probably it's gonna gone. He gave me the sticker and can you bring this with you? And I said yeah, better than that. However, I'm a bit stressed about my video. That should be fine. And I will try to make a few shots how I boarding inside the plane, if will be possible. If not, it's have to be okay anyway. And see you in Lombok. Okay, just in the seat. I have some kind of window seat. Hopefully nobody gonna ask for that. Check this out.
Memiliki dan atau memperdagangkan obat-obat terlarang jenis apapun adalah pelanggaran berat terhadap undang-undang narkoba.
Your attention please, we would like to inform you that each other.
Selamat.
Basically it's Boeing 737, it's almost full house. Interesting. We'll see. Lombok?
No transit? No.
No,
Then
no,
we
no,
are
just...
going.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Alright, just arrived to Lombok as you see, and it's very easy actually. Just 2 times I showed my rapid test in Bali, and here just come from the plane, application, QR code, they make a picture, I mean they scan the QR code and that's it. Okay, so this is the Lombok airport, basically looks like this. Now I need to find a taxi and go to my hotel. I stay one night, first night in a hotel in Kuta, so it's about 30 minutes ride, and we'll see how is the negotiations with the Lombok taxi drivers. Right, I'm just outside the terminal and I can hear the taxi everywhere. Okay, we'll see what we can do now. Alright, so I just got a very quickly taxi to Novotel, 100k only, very good, easy negotiation, from 200 to 100 in 5 seconds, so cool.
Hello.
Hello, Novotel Kuta, yeah?
Okay. If you want to use big card also it's can.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, just arrived already in the taxi, just in the 5 minutes. Not so bad, very easy, Baru taxi, very easy. See you in the hotel. By the way, you can also find the public transport over here, but too much hassle with that, better just find the taxi counters just when you exit the terminal, very easy. I'm on my way to Novotel. As you can see, on the road is so many construction, the nice fancy hotels, and also the road is very nice. This is everything because of the MotoGP circuit is under construction, not so far away from here. Later I will show you more about that. Alright, I just arrived to the Novotel in Lombok. Very nice hotel, by the way. I will show you around few snaps as you saw on the road how it looks like. I will just chill, I will have a shower, show you the room around, and I'm waiting for my friend. He's originally from Lombok, so this is the Lombok guy. He will show me around Kuta today, so the rest of the vlog will be obviously from the Kuta. I just want to show you Lombok in the next few days, and also Gili, so stay tuned, and I will show you quickly the room, how it looks around. Basically that's how it looks. There is the T-race. This is just the superior room, so the basic one, the lowest one in Novotel. However, it's still Novotel. Normally we choose any other kind of hotels, but first of all, this is current situation, it's not the best time. Many small hotels in Lombok are closed, and also the another thing is that some carry a lot of stuff. As you can see, this bag is just the equipment, and also, you know, so I prefer to stay in the places like this. Anyway, nothing is open, not much is open, and I also need to good internet to upload the video. And by the way, I almost forgot as I have to upload video before I gonna go anywhere, so it's very tropical hotel, by the way, very gardenish. As you can see, there are kind of villas over here everywhere around, heading into the beach. There is bar. Probably I will have no time to be there. However, yeah, beach, restaurant, bar. We will see. We'll show you the hotel quickly, and then I'm gonna introduce you to my friend, and we will explore a little bit of Kuta area today, Lombok. Alright, basically that's how it looks, the Novotel in Lombok, and this is my friend Dayat.
Hello, welcome to Lombok again.
Welcome to Lombok, yeah. Alright, let's have some ride. So I'm with Dayat, and this is Kuta Mandalika. This is like a center of Kuta, right?
Yeah,
it's like a promenade. It's very beautiful, by the way. It's very hot, by the way, also. And check this out. It's a very nice big hotel. Everywhere are hotel construction. It's the lady coming to sell me something. So there is my hotel Novotel, and this lady is coming with sarongs. So yeah, let's go to have a drink, yeah? Oh, hello!
Hello,
Oh, good, still alive, you know?
I hope you get one.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you get one, my friend.
Thank you.
The headband one is 30.
So I'm only one tourist except my friend. He's from Lombok. Where are you from actually, Lombok? Me? Yes.
I'm from Kediri. Yeah.
So it's not Lombok, yeah?
It's Lombok.
Yeah. Anyway, back to the girls. I'm only one tourist here, and it was 4 girls selling something. You know what I mean? What's gonna finish after that? This is the Kuta Center, something like a beach walk area in Kuta, but in Bali. And some restaurants are here, but most of them they are closed. Even they are open, they are empty, right? Yeah, not so much is happening. We try to find some cafe. And maybe here, I don't know. Yeah, it's okay, doesn't matter for me. Let's have a coffee, yeah. Whatever you think is best.
Guarantee.
2 years warranty for that. Alright, that's good deal. I'm good. Thank you. International warranty, yeah? Oh, having a coffee. Dayat, he have iced tea. That's typical Indonesian thing, you know?
Yeah. It's hot.
It's hot.
Iced tea is the best.
Yeah. This is the place called, I don't know, Bush Radio. It's very cozy style. Few bula like me, in foreigner I mean, but generally not much is happening except the people who trying to sell me something. That's actually different than in Bali. We're having coffee, chatting, and this guy is from Lombok, like I said, and he speaks Lombok language. I don't know, Lombokese.
We call it Sasak language.
Sasak language, alright. So he teach me one word like in thank you, so in terima kasih in bahasa Indonesia, suksama in Balinese, and in Lombok Sasak language is
Tampiasi.
Tampiasi, I already forgot.
Then he not then nobody more. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
guarantee. Yeah, 2 years guarantee. Yeah, maybe later.
Yeah, maybe later, okay?
Yeah.
So as you can see, the biggest attraction today actually is the girls who trying to sell me something. That's actually common thing in Lombok. So we are just passing the Bazaar Mandalika. As you can see, this looks like a private estate, but it's actually a lot of will be the nice, clean warungs, restaurants, shops. It's something looks little like a Bali collection, used to do a little bit. Advertising, okay?
Yes,
Yeah, look at this beautiful lady.
this thing is very nice thing.
This is Lombok.
Lombok traditional.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
nice cotton, hand
Kata.
weaving. Yeah,
Very nice.
very nice.
If you wanna find this girl, come to the Mandalika Kuta Lombok. And this guy also trying to sell me something bracelet. Right, so this is the Kuta Mandalika. Why is so dark? So Kuta Mandalika like this, they are beautiful flowers now. This promenade is really like beautiful, like a western promenade somewhere in Italy or Spain. Everything because Lombok is very developing right now. You could say, if I don't say it's Lombok, you could say maybe I'm somewhere in Europe right now. Alright, thank you Dad for today.
You're welcome.
Oh, my
Have a
camera,
nice
thank you. See you tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, bye.
See you, take care. Drive safely, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, it's late night. Well, it's actually 8 o'clock, but it's late night for the conditions like here. It's so quiet. I'm gonna go to the restaurant at the beach. They are still open, at least they said so. Alright, I'm after my dinner. Of course I had the pizza, you know me guys, what I can have. Or burger, but I really wanted to eat the pizza. Yeah, this is the pool area actually. This is the pool, and there obviously is the beach and ocean. You can still hear the sound of the ocean, very nice. It's actually just 8 o'clock p.m. and I'm a little bit tired, to be honest. So quiet over here. The pool is actually officially open till 11, but I think it's already closed. Alright, now I'm swinging a little bit, and that's the moment for most of you guys probably waiting already. Announcement who gonna win our mystery gift from Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys. We chose, I have to stop because I cannot focus. Anyway, just joking. The person who won this, that's the first person who answered correctly in the comments below. It's Vanessa Koch. Congratulations, Vanessa. You was the first person who guessed exactly where Damian is going. Damian, me, obviously. I'm so tired. I'm so sorry. Congratulations, Vanessa. Please send us an email. We're gonna text you for details for the shipment and stuff like that. For everyone who doesn't win and answer correctly, I'm so sorry, we just choose only one person at the moment. However, if you like the idea, concept of the giveaway, stuff like this, we will do more and more in any occasions. Thank you so much everyone to comment. just watching some racing, and actually I should editing video right now, not wasting time, but I'm so tired. Anyway, I think so that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. That's only day 1 from Lombok. I'm here almost for 1 week, so will be a lot of from Lombok, other sides of Lombok. Tomorrow will be another day in Kuta. Later I gonna move to Sengigi area, which is completely different side of Lombok. I will go also to Gili Island one day. So stay tuned. If you don't subscribe to my channel yet, please do it now. Please watch next few videos, because I think it will be very interesting for many of you guys, especially for someone who was already like everyday Bali. Now will be Lombok, something new. We will, with Winnie or me, will travel more in the near future, so will be more vlogs like this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and of course don't forget, tomorrow 4 PM Bali time, new vlog. See ya, take care guys.